So final video for this day. Good evening, Prince William. The royal mail I received is said through Facebook. I've been hacked, but the last communication we have, I don't make an email about our revenue there. I'll reply to your royal mail. You asked me how can you help me. Someone, those hackers, is behind that. Who charged you about the revenue, but the one should know. I only reply Philippines, the location. They don't know here how we communicate as a royal. But the agreement, the sovereign grant to King Charles III. I'm very sorry on behalf of them, but they can, now you can do and also tell to Harry and Meghan, I'm sorry the time, because I don't even know, or they didn't even tell me you came here. And also to the royal mint, employees, staff, and everything. So just do the things that must be done, and just here everything is on me. So don't worry about how you handle as a king, as a to William as a prince. Don't worry. Just be thankful to the late great Queen Elizabeth II. He make sure everything. You don't know the story. Only ask yourself, after the husband of Queen Elizabeth II died, who get the rule of him? So you don't know what really happened. So I hold the story. So Prince William, it's good. Don't wait. Just do what is right. Monarchy. Thank you. I'll wait here. Negros, Philippines, La Carlota.